What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know, man. I had to slide back at you with this Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium Graffiti, man. And we gonna start with the box. We gonna start with the box, man. The box. Now look, it's a little bit different than the traditional Nike box. Of course, we got that orangish red colorway with the branding. Similar, but as you can see, it pays homage to a lot of the different graffiti artists all around the world. The different Nike logos written differently, the swoosh, all kind of different designs. Now this time we're gonna unbox this shoe together, and then after that, what you can look forward to is we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna talk about the shoe. We're gonna talk about where, kind of the inspiration behind it, and then toward the end, we're gonna open up this BearBrick by Bape, right? And we're gonna open that up and see what color they got for us. Now look, check it out. Let's go ahead and get right into opening up this box. Now, as you can see here, one little detail, this is perforated, which means that you could take out this circle here. I don't know why you would, but you probably could if you wanted to. Boom, right? Let's take a look at this sneaker. Boom. Now look, you can see a little bit of the tumble leather here. Very good. Now a lot of people was asking about this material. Will it crease? It feels like canvas. It feels like canvas with paint on it. Actually, it feels like paint. I don't really see it creasing much. It doesn't seem like it's gonna crease. It's very premium. The cut and the stitching on these shoes, like it's almost no imperfections on the leather. No imperfections on the stitching. But the cool thing is that every shoe looks mad different because you got little paint splats here, little paint splats there, and then it's not gonna be on different shoes. And then they got different cuts of the insole. They all look different. Every shoe is gonna look a little different. Now, one thing I really like about this shoe specifically is this 3M. I'm really in love with 3M. Stuff that has 3M in it is one of my favorite because it stands out at night. It stands out in those photos when that flash go off. That 3M is gonna pop, and I'm gonna show you a picture of how that look together. Now look, let's go ahead and take a look at both the shoes next to each other so you can take a look. And then the paper has like a bit of a gloss to it, but it's just some regular white paper. Nothing major on that. No extra laces came with these. I wish they would have. Some black laces would have been clean. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this other shoe here. This is the other one here. As you can see, different paint, different toe box, different inside. That's almost completely orangish red. This one is speckled with some gray. It's the little things like that where I think is gonna make the shoe stand out in the long run when people go, yo, what's those right there? What's them? Oh man, a little something different, right? So honestly, we're gonna wrap it up with this BearBrick, and then we're gonna go to some on feet. So let's take a look at what we got here in this BearBrick. We're gonna do this real quick. Right here. So celebrating the 20th anniversary, we're gonna take a look. Now I did lift this, but I haven't had a chance to take a look inside. So let's do this here. What we got? Oh man, yo, that joint almost kind of match. No, I mean it's close. Hold on, that's straight, right? We can take it out the plastic. We're not gonna take it out the plastic, but you can see the Bape logo there. This is a collaboration between BearBrick and Bape, so we're gonna see how that works. we're gonna take it out the plastic and see where we can find a home for it. Now, I'm gonna finish up with some on feet. Y'all can take a look at it and y'all let me know what y'all think. Now, as always, if you stayed this long, do me a favor, man. Like, subscribe, drop a comment. It don't matter. It's just help the team grow. We're just trying to do great things out